Hi, I'm Starkey from driftworks.com and today I'm with the Japan Racing JR6. So the JR6 is available in 15s all the way up to 18s and widths from 7 inches wide all the way up to 10.5. The JR6 comes in a wide range of PCDs, so your 4-stud and your 5-stud options. So your 4x100s like your MX-5s, your E30s, your Lupos, all the way up to your 5x120 PCD fitments for like your BMWs. These wheels can also be custom drilled. So if you've got something slightly unusual like a 5x105 PCD like on an Astra, then we can custom make these wheels for your exact specs. As for colours, they come in a wide range of colours. The wheel I've got here is black with a polished lip and chrome bolts. We can also get these with gold centres and polished lips, or white centres, or silver centres. It's like a machined silver face. It's a really cool wheel. This it's a classic 5-spoke design, similar to some of the work wheels that we sell on our shop. And again, this is 18 by 10.5, and it's got a pretty sizable dish. In the smaller sizes, like the 15 by 8s for your MX-5s, it still looks pretty good because it's still got a decent amount of dish. Some of the issues you may have with this wheel is the back spacing. So if you are running slightly larger brakes, like your Brembos, you may have issues with the clipping the spokes. Because it's got a dish, means the face of the wheel is slightly flatter, so you'll have brake clearance issues here. As it goes round.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.